Instead of a regular gathering in the center of the city, here an ad hoc ceremony on the outskirts of Simferopol. Crimean Tatars were banned from having their regular events commemorating the anniversary of mass deportation from Crimea. This year it's 70 years anniversary. New Crimean authorities said they were afraid of provocations. They were afraid that this would somehow undermine the holiday season here in Crimea. People walked here by foot. They walked to this mosque on the outskirts of Simferopol, but they were guarded by Russian riot police. For anyone who remembers the events of deportation, this is hugely symbolic. 70 years ago today, thousands of Tatar families were kicked out of their homes, were put in the trains and were deported thousands of kilometers away to Uzbekistan. Many people died. They did not survive this deportation. They lived there for decades and were only being able to return 25 years ago. And the event, as I said, was hugely important. So people are angry. People said these events were never about politics. These events were peaceful, they were about memory, they were about commemoration. The leadership of the Crimean Tatars agreed what the slogans would be, so no chance for any provocations, they said. Yet the authorities have their reasons to be concerned. A couple of weeks ago, the protesting group of Crimean Tatars broke through Russian border guard controls to meet their spiritual leaders, Mustafa Dzhemilev, who was trying to enter Crimea from Ukraine after being prevented to do so flying from Moscow. There's lots of tension. We spoke to people who said this is the first thing that some of our people see from Russia. That's how the relationship starts. It starts on a very bad foot. And whoever I spoke to said Russia will have to do a lot to repair this damage. Oleg Boldyrev, BBC News, Crimea.